Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Zarine Barda. I am founder of Life by Zarine, where it is split off into different branches. So I hope you guys like and subscribe my channel. And I'll tell you a little bit more about myself and the brands that I have and you'll be seeing across the YouTube channels and some of my other platforms. So Life by Zarine is a culmination where if you go to the website as well, lifebyzarine.com, you'll see more information about that, where I'm building a brand for myself where we are going to be aiming to be doTERRA founders in India, where we're going to be building a beautiful team and culture across here to empower men and women to be using essential oils to integrate them into their holistic wellness lifestyle, because that's a big part of my life and it has been for the past 7 years. And that's something that I definitely want to bring to India to share with more people. If this is something that interests you, comment below, send me a DM. I would be more than happy to show you how you can get started either integrating it into your lifestyle or integrating it into a side hustle or a full-time business. So that's one of the things that I do under the Life by Zarine branch. Some of the videos that you'll see me coming up with are going to be the content. So DIYs using some of the essential oils, how I'm using them, what I'm using them in, maybe food-based, maybe essential oil-based, different areas of things that I'm using and doing on a regular basis. Then the next one is the Belly and Beyond. So this is an integration where we use the essential oils, but it's also prenatal yoga, postnatal yoga, mom and baby support, mom support throughout pregnancy, birthing, postpartum. This is a huge part of me, my life, and one of the biggest things that I want to bring to India as well is because of the support that I've had from Canada and the women that I have interacted with, such beautiful souls, and I'm so blessed to have had them in my life at a certain point in time. And this is where I want to be able to guide you across that journey for yourself and for your family to be able to find new supports, whether it be through me or me guiding you to finding the right person that you connect with, because that is what it is all about, is finding the person that you connect with that is able to then empower you and show you and guide you through your strengths and your beauty. So that is what the Belly and Beyond is about. We have prenatal, postnatal yoga, as I'd mentioned. You'll also be seeing videos regarding meditations, mantras, different tips and tricks for motherhood, juggling it all and being able to support that. I'm a mom of 3 kids. I have 1 son and then twin girls. So it is hectic, especially with work, family life, business. It's so many things. So that's kind of where it's all being integrated in. The Belly and Beyond, we do have a mobile application. I will link that in the description below for you guys to check out, because that is something that throughout pregnancy, something that can be so useful, and the community that is built within that is such a beautiful space for you guys to be able to share without judgment and to be able to connect with other moms, other support systems, whether it be doulas, midwives, doctors. There's so many different areas of support in there. Then I have my other brands, Healing Oilistic. So if you're looking for custom blends for specific ailments or looking for a consultation, this is where you'll see some of that areas. I'll link each of the websites below so that way you can reach out to me across each of those, or feel free just to DM me on my main Instagram, Zarine_Barda, and I would be more than happy to support you from there. And then the last one is Learn to Launch. So I guess my 15 years in an automotive career before kind of fully shifting over to the health and wellness space, this is where I know kind of what it's like to launch a business, to launch multiple businesses, to go through the struggles of learning how to launch a podcast, how to launch different newsletters, mailing platforms, so many different things. And this is where I break it down into super easy tutorials on YouTube to help guide you through the easy steps, make it super simple. And if you're also looking for individual life and business coaching, I am also there to support you individually or in group settings as well too. So if you and your girlfriends wanted to get together to say, okay, we're ready to start launching our side hustle, show us how we can do it, I would be more than happy to support you and guide you through that journey. So that's where I also have some of the Learn to Launch videos that you'll be seeing under the Life by Zarine umbrella. So DM me. I am the face of all of these brands, and I am hoping that you would join me on one of the journeys that I'm going through right now. So we will keep seeing you each Monday. Typically, there are new videos that come out. Make sure you like and subscribe to be able to get a hold of all of them. And if there's anything specific that you would like to see, content-wise or connecting with me wise, definitely comment below. I would love to connect with you further. Take care.